Hello everybody, welcome to Salsal Academy. I am Ali Awari, as your instructor and tutor of IGCSE and O-Level. I hope you are doing great. In this video, I am going to solve a paper exam of IGCSE. There, as you see in the screen, this is the paper exam of February and March of 2025. This is the first paper of IGCSE. That here is the candidate name, also candidate, the center number, candidate number, also mathematics. That here is written paper 2 non-calculator extent. It means that you are not permitted to use calculator for the solution of this paper. You must answer on the question paper. It means you when solve the question, your answer must be in this paper. You will need a geometric instrument. Here also the instruction of solution, answer all the question, use a black or blue pen. You may use an HB pencil for a diagram or graph. Other part you should read with yourself. There is clear. And also information, the total mark for this paper is 100. The number of mark for each question or part question is shown in bracket. This document has 20 pages. It takes around 2 hours time. This too long, maybe broken in 2 parts or 3 parts. So I try to solve the question with all needs details. Please keep watching the video to the end and like my video and subscribe if you are a new member of my channel. Let's get started. Also, this is the list of formula. For example, area of a triangle base B and H, and also area A of a triangle base B, height H. All the formula needs first paper is given. You are not permitted to do not write anything in this part. You are not permitted to write here. Also barcode here. Calculator must not be used in this paper. This is the first question. Okay, let's get started. First question. Orange cost 220 rupees per kilogram. Work out the cost of 9 kilogram of these oranges. Okay, this is the first question. The first question is very easy. It is actually a piece of cake. Let's solve that one. Here, 1 kilo is actually 220. We take actually 1 kilo is 220 rupees. So work out the cost of 9 kilograms. Actually we multiply by 9. So this is the price of this orange. 9 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 2 times 18, 8, and we have 9 times of 218, 1, we have 19 rupees. This is the answer. This answer must be written in this part. Here must be written. I want to minimize this one. This here must be written this question. But as I think you should obey this rule. Because as a tutor or instructor, not need to write here because your PDF and it doesn't work well the digital pen. So next question here. Aryan goes on a journey. He leaves home at 11:40 and arrives at 14:18. Find out how many hours and minutes the journey took. So here let's solve this one. It means when Aryan goes a journey, he leaves at time of 11:40 and arrives at this actually the starting point when he leaves. When arrive, the journey actually here. The arrive times here arrive at 14:18. What you should find or calculate, find how many hours and minutes this journey took. We should find the times that how many hours and minutes took this journey. Actually, we should subtract from the times of arriving from the actually the leaving time. We should subtract from arriving time. So here we subtract 14 11th. We should subtract 11th 40. Because here the minutes is smaller this part, we change here one item, actually borrow 1 hour and change multiplier by 60, and the total it takes actually 13 hour and 60 plus 18 of it is 78 minutes. The living time is 11:14. Now we can subtract here 8 minus 0, right here 8, and 7 minus 4 remain here 3, and 3 minus 1 2, 1 minus 1 0. So the arriving time or this journey actually take 2 hours and 30 minutes. It means the answer must be 2 hours and 38 minutes took this journey. It must be written here in this part. Here must be written. Now we go to part question 3. Question 3. A quadrilateral has only a quadrilateral has one line of symmetry. The diagonals of the quadrilateral cross at right angles. Write down the mathematical name of the quadrilateral. We should analyze what kind of quadrilateral is this. Okay, well, actually a quadrilateral we draw here, for example, like this, but this is not this. It doesn't have this feature. Quadrilateral has one line symmetry. It doesn't have symmetry. I write like this. I draw or plot a geometrical figure, for example, like this. This is actually one symmetry. I draw with a different color here, with red color. This is the symmetry, and this part is not the symmetry because only one symmetry line it has, and the diagonals actually intersect or crossed at right angle. Here is all of them. Here is right angle. Every four angle is actually right angle or 90 degrees. So this is the answer of this question, but you should write down the mathematical name of the quadrilateral. You should write the name of this. What is the name of like this quadrilateral? Actually, this is the kite. So we should write its name in this part here. Yeah, it has 1 marks. Kite. Next question here is give us a formula of v equal to 4mp square. Find the v. We should calculate or find the value of v when m is actually 10 and p is minus 3. So we can write here v equal to 4mp squared. Then we substitute the value 4 instead of m. We write here 10, and instead of p we write here minus 3 square. So v is equal to 4 multiplied by 10, 40 minus to the power of even is positive, and 3 square is 9. So v is equal to 9 times of 436, 0. This is the answer of question number 4 part A. We should write this answer here. It has 2 score. And we start part B. Part B, find the positive value of P when V is 3200 and M is equal to 2. So we write the formula V is equal to 4mp squared. So V is, we substitute directly 3 2 zeros equal to 4 multiplied by m is here given 2 and p square. We should find the positive value of p. So we can write 4 times of 2, 8. P square is 32 with 20. It means 3200. We divide both sides of the equation by 8. Then we directly simplify. P square is equal to 1, 8, and 4, 8, or 4 times of 8 is 32. There is 400. We take square root from both sides. Directly simplify this one. P is equal to the square root of 400 is its famous 20 square. We directly simplified. The positive value of P is 20. This answer we should write here. This part B, it has 2 square also. Next we should solve part number 5. Number 5 question here is to write the length in orders of size, starting with the smallest. Which one is small? From smallest to largest, we should arrange or order. First we convert or change all of them is the same unit here: meter, centimeters, millimeters, and kilometer. Part A, we have 0.03 meter. It's the same. But here part 2, 2.9 centimeter, we convert to meter. We write here 2.9 multiplied by 1 over 100 meter, because 1 centimeter is actually equal to 1 over 100 centimeter. So this is equal to 2.9 over 100 meter. Then move the decimal point to the left to actually numbers. Here 0.029 meter. Then we convert 32 millimeter to meter. 32 multiplied by 1 over 1000 meter, because 1 millimeter is equal to 1 over 1000 meter. So here 32 over 1000 meter. Then we convert to decimal. 0 we separate from right to left 3 decimal place, 0.32 meter. And the last one is 2 here, 0.000402 kilometer. We convert to meter. 0.002 multiplied by 1000 meter, because 1 kilometer is actually 1000 meter. So 3 decimal place move to the right here, actually here 403, and this convert to 0.02 meter. Now we arrange which one is smallest. As I think all of them is meter, the same unit. The smallest one is this. Which one is the smallest one? So the smallest one is this, actually the kilometer, 0.0002 kilometer. This is the smallest one. After this is the small, 0.029 meter. Actually this value should write 2.9 centimeters, so I raise them 2.9 centimeters small. Then 0.03 meter, this one, and the last one is this is the largest, 0.32 meters. We should write this answer to this part here. Now we come to question number 6. Question number 6, not scaled figure is drawn. Work out the area of the trapezium. How we can calculate the area of this trapezium? Here we have like this trapezium like this. We separate it to or break out to two figures. This is actually a triangle, and this is a triangle, and this is actually a quadrilateral. Or there is 9 millimeters, 9 centimeter, and also this 8 centimeters. This 15 we subtract from 15, 9 here is 9 centimeter, and here will remain 6 centimeter. The area of this figure is actually, we calculate this part first. 8 multiplied by 9 square centimeter plus 1/2, the base is 8 centimeters, multiplied by 6 centimeters, then is equal to 8 times of 9, 72 square centimeter, plus 1 to 4, 1 times and 4 times of 2 is 8, 2 4 times of 6, 24 square centimeter, then is equal to 2 plus 4, 6, and 2 plus 7 is 9 square centimeter. This is the area of this trapezium. We should write the answer here. And question number 7, write down the inequality for x present on the number line. Here is actually x is a variable that vary from -3 to 4. Take the point of 4 but cannot take the point of -3. Here we write as inequality that x is actually larger than -3 and less or equal to 4. This is the answer of question number 7. We should write the answer here. It has 2 square. It was very easy, a piece of cake actually. Question number 8. Priyanka plays a game in which she can win, lose, or draw. The table shows the probability of her winning or losing a game. Result of game: win 0.3 probability, lose 0.25. First, complete the table. You should find the draw. Draw it means equal here. So how we should complete the table? All of the probability or probability is 1. Here we write the probability of draw equal to 1 minus this probability, minus 0.3 minus 0.25. It means in this game Priyanka maybe win 0.3 or lose 0.25, and maybe equal or draw. We should calculate this one. So p is equal 1 minus, first we add this 2, we add 0 here because the number of decimal must be equal. 0 plus 5, 5, and 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 is 5, 0. Then we subtract 1.00 minus 0.55. We borrow from 10 minus 5, 5, and we borrow here is 9. 9 minus 4, 5 is 4. So P of draw actually is 0.45. This is the answer. We should write the answer here. Now we calculate part B. Priyanka played this game 120 times. Work out the expected number of games she win. It means when Priyanka plays 120 times or 120 times a game, how many times she will win this game. Actually, we use from this formula, as you know, the permeability is, we have formula that probability is equal to the number of favorable over total of number. So here is P is actually for winning. We have 0.3. Number of winning is not clear. Actually, this is the number of variable occurring. The total number she will take part here is 120. So we can find that the number of winning is equal to multiply 0.3 multiplied by 120. This 0 with this point we directly simplify, and 3 times of 12 is 36. This is the number may Peranka win the game. This question number 8. With all parts should write the result 36 here. It has 1 square. And now we start number 9 question. Okay, what ask us by writing each number correct to one significant figure, work out an estimate for D. We should find the value of D by one significant figure. So here we write here D is equal to a square root of 1.95 multiplied by 9.2 square, 992 square over 8.0507. Then D is equal to a square root of, when we actually take the significant figure of this part, here is only 1, and this we round up 1 unit add to the 1 here, directly convert to 2, multiply by also this one significant, this 9 we add here, then this round up 1 add to 9, actually 10 square is 100 over, and when we take one significant place here, we directly escape or ignore from 0.7 directly here 8, so 200 over 8. Then we simplify. 2 times of 4 is 8, 5 times of 4 is 21, and here's 25. The square root of 25 is 5. This is the answer. We should write the answer of D here. Now we can solve question number 10.